Hello there, welcome to Tracking by GTM. And recently I got an issue for update and verify consent setting on Google Analytics cause of European Union economics area. That's why if you go on the data stream, then you will see an error for action required. Now I'm going to my Google Analytics. So you can see right now I'm on the data stream. Then you will see here is the action required. When you open this, then you will see an error. So the error is on here. This is showing consent setting and action required is your Google Ads. If you already linked your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics, then you will get this issue. Your action required, you need to fix this issue. Then here is showing Google Ads personalized consent signal not detected. So we need to fix this. Now you can go here to product link. So if you go on the product link, then Google Ads link, then you will see on here personalized advertising. So here's the issue is for coming from the personalized advertising. We need to disable it, then our problem will be gone. Now I'm going to click here and it will just very easily you can disable it. So after open this Google Ads link, then you will see here is the data configuration and here is showing enable personalized advertising. Just disable it. To disable it, if you go on the data stream, then you will see your problem will be solved. After uncheck this, then make sure you need to save it. So now you can see I'm on the data stream. Then you see this issue is already gone. And we already fixed this issue. So using same method, just you can disable it your personalized advertising. Then this issue will be solved and data will be correct again. Hope this video is helpful. Feel free to like this video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.